everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be showing you the following order from Sephora VIP sale. I know the sale is over. I'm so sorry I took so long to record this, but my order literally came on May 7th. I was about to say March, I don't know why, but my order literally came on May 7th. So obviously the sale was already over, so I concentrate a couple of other things that already have pending, but I still want to share with you a couple of things that I got online to show you just my new collection. I'm gonna open the other ones too, but let's start with this one. And let's see, I don't know why they sent me 2 boxes, but anyways, maybe, I don't know. Anyways, let's continue. Here is the receipt, and let's grab the first product I see is this one by Glow Recipe. This one is the setting mitts. It's the ultra fine mitts, and a lot of people have been talking about this. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty, so little, so cute. This is awesome. So let's check the product and try it right away. Let's see how it feels. Oh, you guys, it smells so good. And this product is meant to refresh, give you some boost of hydration to the skin. So, number 1. The next product that I have this here is this Blossom. This is a blush. I remember not being able to get in this in the store because they only carry in my store. I don't know if that's normal, but on my store they only carry the lipstick. They don't carry anything else. So is this right one is the shape Havana. So let me show you. It's this beautiful color, and it swipes in the finger like this, and it looks like this on my wrist. It's super pretty. I really like this color. The packaging is nothing special. It's just a really sturdy, clear packaging, nothing special, but the color is very good, and I really heard very good reviews about this product. That's one of the reasons why I grabbed it. And this one is a Marc Jacobs product. It's very new. It is a instant blurry beauty powder with a brush. So let's open this one. I got mine in the shade 52. Hopefully it's not too light or too dark for me, because I heard some people having issues with the shade colors. Oh boy, this is so pretty. So pretty. Let's open it up and see. And then it's covered and it fell. It has a nice mirror and a nice component. It's super high quality. It's super pretty. I really like the mirror. It's so nice. The brush, if I'm not mistaken, is down here. How you get it up? Oh, here it is. It's very thin. It's a nice brush. It's very soft. So I will only use this if I'm on the go, if I really need to use it very quickly. But other than that, I don't think it's a good idea. It's kind of like you have to press to make sure that the bristles of the brush doesn't get like stuck and kind of like start getting ruined on it. But this is a pretty packaging. Let's see the color. I'm nervous. So this is the color in my finger. Let's see here. Oh my god, it's perfect. I don't see it. It's right here. Like, let me show you in another area. See, it's very good color for me. You barely see it, so that means that it's a nice match for me. It has a little bit of shimmer, so if you're wearing already a lot of things, they have shimmers like a luminosity on it, or some kind of like dewy makeup, maybe do not use this. Depends how much dewiness you want to your skin, because this has a teeny bit shimmer on it, but very minimal. So if you're wearing maybe a Fenty foundation that is very matte, this will be nice to give you a little dewiness to the look. And that will make it 2 products of Marc Jacobs that I have in my collection now, from 0 to 2. Thank you to the sale. Okay, let's continue with makeup, and the next item is by the brand Natasha Denona. This is a blush and glow. It's a blush and highlighter powder. Let me show you this beauty. When I saw it, I fell in love with it, and the price wasn't too bad. I think it was $25. And it's this little cute, amazing, beautiful guy, and the component is just so pretty. It's so stunning. Let me show you the colors. Like, this blush is so pretty. It is buildable again. It's not too, it is very light and kind of like very cute. I like it a lot because of that. But the highlighter, let me put it here because it is a very subtle color too. I don't know if the camera is picked it up, but in person looks so beautiful. There we go. There you see it. It's so beautiful. It's a very beautiful color. And next item is by Fenty, and this is not new, but this is something that I was scary of getting, and some of you told me this is a nice color in my previous haul. You told me Fenty, I think this is a highlighter. I'm not sure. Alright, sorry about that. I think this is a highlighter or blush. It's a blush. It's a blush. Now I remember. It's a blush in the shade Chili Mango. Oh my god, look at this. And I was like, in million years I will never use this thing. I'm scared to use this thing. And one of you told me, no, it's not as scary that it looks. You just put a little bit and blend it. And I did such a thing in the store, and I fall in love with it, and I put in an order. And I am so grateful for my subscriber to tell me this color is beautiful, because it is beautiful. It looks so beautiful on the cheeks. I kind of like want to put it now, but I already have kind of like a pinkish situation going on in my blush, so I don't want to kind of like mix two different shades, so different shades on my skin right now. But this is such a beautiful color. When you blend it, it just blends so beautifully, like beautifully. I went a little hard to show you the entire color, but then when you blend it, it's just so beautiful. Thank you, because I love it. Next item is a restocking item for me. I got in the number 3. This is the Benefit Cat Brow, and I already had this product, but I really needed to restock on it because mine is getting a little dry already, so which is not good, but I still like the product, so I definitely grab a new one. The product that I kind of like wanted to check it out, and I decided to get it, was this Too Faced glitter glue, because some palettes are coming out with a lot of glitters and they need something to stay there, otherwise they just look like a mess. So it's this little guy. It is a glue for glitter, and it's by the brand Too Faced. The next two items that I'm going to be showing to you are kind of like tools, and it's this Sephora number 38. I already have this brush and I love it. I use it for my eyeshadow. I really like it. It's this one here. It's a very good brush. I really like it. And another product that I got is this Laura Mercier, kind of like a spongy, and I'm gonna be using this to press some of the setting powders that I'm gonna be using, maybe the Marc Jacobs, to make my skin to look nicer and lock everything. I think this is a good technique for that. I forgot that I also have another makeup product here. Here is this Hourglass primer. It has such good reviews. People really like it. I pulled the trigger and got right away the big one. It looks like it was spilling. No, it's still something else is white. Maybe something that I have in my fingers, I don't know. But it's the Hourglass Belle, and this primer, it sounds like it's pretty good, so that's one of the reasons why I grab it. So I hope not to be disappointed by that. More tools for the skin for applying the makeup. I got this trio beauty blenders. Beauty blenders are extremely expensive. This trio is actually cheaper. It's a discount on it, so with the 20% off, it was even more discount for me. I have 20% off because I'm a rush, but if you were VIP or in Beauty Insider only, it's still a good discount for this product that you will use it anyways. And some of them might need to be replaced. They're a little rough. Let's talk about rough. It's just like has so many cracks. This one is like, love you. You worked very well. You were really good. you stay with me. Thank you for your service. Bye. Alright guys, so let's talk a little bit about products, different products that are not specifically for kind of like makeup, but they are related. I'm gonna be talking about this other product from Beauty Blender. This is a Solid Pro cleanser. So let me open it up. Right, so it has this big butter flower for you to be able to clean the brushes, and the sponges on it. But look at the size of this soap. It's huge. Like, the white one is so tiny, and I go through it so quickly that when I saw this big huge guy in there, I was like, I need this guy. So I'm gonna be very, very happy cleaning my new sponges and my brushes with this big guy. I had 3 products here, actually a little more, but 3 products for skincare, and one of them is this from Ren. This is a toner, and I heard so many good things about this toner that I wasn't going to skip it. It helps very, very much with the skin type that I have, and many skin types. It also serves as a little bit chemical exfoliant, so this is going to be a very good one for those days that I really need a little extra care for my skin. And since I'm gonna be doing so much more skincare and so much in-depth skincare, and I start using retinol and chemical peelings and all this, I need to protect my skin from the sun, and this is a Ren Clear Skin product. It is a clean screen mineral SPF 30, so it's mineral, it's no chemicals, so it's very nice, and it goes very well under makeup. Let me show you how the little tube looks like, and this is how it looks like, and it's very good. It has also really good reviews. Ren is a really nice brand which I trust and really like. And I pulled the trigger with this one because I am not familiar with Drunk Elephant, but I really want to take a very good pick of the brand. This is worth $139, and they sell it for $100 on Sephora, and I got my discount, so it was a really good way to try the brand. It has this beautiful hologram, I think that's how you say it, kind of like situation here, and you open it like this. See, so let's see. It's a little bit hard to open though, actually. So let's see. These are the products. Very pretty. I really like it. I already know this is the retinol. So that one is the retinol. This is a cream. Let's see if the box says what it has inside. It has a glycolic night serum. It has a firm day serum. It has a retinol cream. It has a polypeptide cream, and it has a physical daily defense SPF of 30. So the FPS is this one, I guess. Yes, the little one. This is the polypeptide cream. This one is the retinol. One is for the serum for the day, and this one is for the night. So it's a complete, basically almost a skincare here. The only thing that I'm missing here is basically a toner, but I mean everything else is in here. Very good value for this little bundle here. I picked out 2 products for the hair, and it is this by the brand IGK. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I like this brand. This is a charcoal detox dry shampoo, and this guy is expensive, but I think it lasts me, last time that I used it, like 3 months. So it's a good one. The name is First Class, and I really like it. I ran out of it like a month and a half ago, and I was anxious to get it. And a new product for me will be the IGK Thirsty Girl Coconut Milk Leave-In Condition. This guy, it is a spray, and that was blowing me away because sometimes I hate to touch all these products in my hands, and then I have to wash my hands so many times to be able to remove all these products for it. But this is something that is promising. I will definitely let you know what I think about it in the future. But for now, I'm very excited for it. The next item that I totally forgot I had it there, but it's this cotton pad. And I grabbed them because they seemed very soft and nice. A lot of people like them, so I really wanted to try them. And I got the big packages because obviously with the discount it was worth it. Alright guys, as you see, I love makeup and I love Sephora. I really like Sephora. I really like the way everything feels around you when you're in Sephora. It's kind of like a candy store for me. It's like candy for a little kid. That is me, Sephora. I really like enjoying going there and get all these nice products to show you what I think about them and also to use them. I love them. I love to try new products and see how they perform. Oh my god, this thing is so good. I already want to put it again. I don't know yet if it will hydrate my skin the way that I'm hoping for, but the smell is so good. I really like it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you like it. Give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!